The plank is a convenient and versatile exercise that requires no extra equipment, just the floor, a few minutes of your time, and yourself. Its effectiveness is truly remarkable. The question remains, what happens if you incorporate the plank into your daily routine? This video holds the answer, so be sure to stick around until the end to fully understand the benefits of planking. Let's dive in! The primary focus of the plank is to fortify your muscles, especially around your midsection, your core. This refers to a group of muscles supporting the internal organs, including the abs, obliques, and the erector spinae. Weak core muscles often contribute to abdominal hernias, making it crucial to strengthen these muscles not just for aesthetic purposes, but also for overall health. One of the key advantages of the plank is its ability to tone and develop back muscles without the risk of injuries. While exercises like the deadlift are effective, their demanding techniques can lead to injuries with the wrong form, as well as prolonged recovery. In contrast, the plank is relatively safe and, with regular practice, can strengthen both lower and upper back muscles. These well-developed back muscles are great for enhancing your appearance, but also serve as an excellent preventive measure against back pain. Considering that most cases of back pain stem from underdeveloped back and core muscles, the plank can be a potent remedy in this regard as well. The plank can improve your posture significantly. We all know that posture conveys both conscious and unconscious messages to those around us. A person with a good posture is often perceived as confident and attractive. The straightness of one's shoulders is frequently used as a measure of physical composure. For those aiming to improve their appearance, confidence, and body appeal, maintaining good posture is crucial. The plank, by strengthening the core and upper back muscles, also has a positive impact on the muscles of the neck and shoulders, which play an important role in maintaining proper posture. With consistent practice, planking can help rectify your posture, leading to visible improvements in just 30 days. Even you will start seeing these changes when you look at yourself in the mirror. Planking can help improve your metabolism, but remember, it will require consistency to have a discernible impact. Regularly engaging in this exercise can accelerate your metabolic rate, aiding in weight loss. It facilitates increased calorie burn while simultaneously engaging the abdominal muscles. Over the course of a month, the combination of these factors can result in a noticeable development of the coveted six-pack abs. Additionally, the plank is effective in enhancing coordination and balance. It contributes to the improvement of your balancing abilities and coordination skills, strengthening your stabilizer muscles, which play a vital role in maintaining balance. The plank is particularly beneficial for various sports and physical activities. When it comes to the duration of a plank, the appropriate time frame depends on your fitness level. Beginners who are new to exercise should aim for at least 15 to 30 seconds. Studies suggest that holding a plank for as long as possible isn't necessarily the best approach for your overall well-being. Instead, it is recommended to perform several sets, each lasting several minutes with proper technique, taking short breaks of 1 or 2 minutes between sets. Let's discuss the advantages and drawbacks of incorporating planks into your exercise routine. Accessibility and its ability to strengthen multiple muscle groups. Additionally, it aids in maintaining a straight posture and can be performed in almost any location. However, there are certain downsides to be mindful of. Incorrect execution of the plank can exert excessive pressure on the spinal discs, lower back, and shoulder joints, emphasizing the importance of prioritizing proper technique over duration. Prolonged or excessive plank holding may elevate blood pressure, underlining the significance of breaking up the exercise into several sets with rest intervals of 1 or 2 minutes rather than pushing to complete exhaustion. When it comes to the correct planking technique, while there exist numerous variations, the classic version remains popular and suitable for beginners. Position yourself in a push-up stance, lowering your body weight onto your forearms while keeping a 90-degree bend in your elbows. Maintain a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core muscles and keeping your breathing slow and deep. Some nuances to consider during planking involve keeping your head and neck relatively relaxed, ensuring your arms are positioned straight ahead or crossed, and maintaining your elbows directly beneath your shoulder joints to avoid unnecessary strain on your elbows and shoulders. Your shoulders should remain perpendicular to the ground, while you must avoid over-rounding or excessive arching of your lower back. It's crucial to note the times one should avoid planking. Pregnant women and individuals with back injuries should avoid this exercise. Likewise, those with hernias or issues with their elbow, shoulder, wrist, or ankle joints should refrain from planking. Individuals with a tendency toward high blood pressure should also approach planking with caution. Feel free to share in the comments how often you incorporate planks into your exercise routine, or if you've never tried it before. Your feedback is valuable and appreciated. Don't forget to explore other videos on my channel, accessible through the links displayed on the screen. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it, hitting the like button, and subscribing to my channel. Until next time!